What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I have something pretty cool that I was not expecting to get from my sponsor. They actually sent me this to test fit on the F30, a product that's not even out to market yet. They're working on it still, and this is a prototype that they want me to just kind of test fit, make sure everything works and that there's no issues. So I'm really excited. Thank you so much, USR Auto. Very cool, very excited to get these installed. Let's go ahead and open this and I'll show you what we're going to be putting on the F30. Let's take a look at what they sent us. So they sent me a pair of LEDs, and these are for the front turn signals. I'm imagining they probably fit the OEM lights, but I obviously have the depots, also got from USR, so go check them out if you need any. One thing that USR is working on with these new bulbs, the amount of heat that's coming out of them, with it being a bigger LED, it might have a little bit of too much heat, but I'm gonna hopefully put that to rest and try these out on the F30. We're gonna check for any flickering, pulsating from the bulbs at all. The one issue that I know we're gonna have, they wanted me to test the bulbs on both the blinker function, so when it's actually flashing, then they also wanted me to test it with the daytime running lights, which I actually have coded out. So even when the daytime running lights are on, the corners aren't illuminated, and that was just kind of the style I was going for. So we'll at least be able to check the flickering until I can get it recoded, test what the daytime running lights look like, but I think this should be pretty easy. These USR depots are still looking so good. These are like 2.5 years old and they still look brand new. And you can see the orange bulb in there. Because it's in a reflective housing, it almost always just looks orange even when it's turned off. So I guess for starters, I'm gonna go and swap one side. That way you can see the blinkers on with the original OEM and then with the new LED. Very easy, straightforward. I'll show you guys how to change out your corners. So this is what I'm talking about with the coating. You can see that the daytime running lights are on, the angel eyes, but the corner light itself is not on. So that goes for both sides. Little pedal upgrade, make sure you guys go check out that video. These are sick. I gotta get new mats because this one's covering up half of it, but these are definitely dope. I love this upgrade. For starters, let's go ahead and air up a little bit just to give me a little more room to work with. Real quick, these are the LCI taillights that USR also sent me. They look super clean. I love these. Shout out the sponsor. So now with the wheel turned out towards me, now you can see, or maybe you can't see, but there's a panel right here. We'll basically just pry out. There's no screws on it or anything. It's just a kind of a pull tab. Boom. So that's what I'm talking about. Just pulls right out on these clips here. Pretty much just want to reach your hand right into that hole and you'll feel it right away, the corner light. Just like so. And of course it's starting to rain, but this should be pretty quick. So I'm gonna take one of the new bulbs here. Also the new housing, which as you can see is going to replace that one there. Twist it on, make sure it's locked in there, it's not going anywhere. Really good size comparison, they're almost identical in size. So I'm going to kind of reach back in here, try and fit that back in. Now you just twist it to lock it in place. This side still has the OEM orange. This side has the LED, which I don't know if the camera picks that up, but there's a hint of orange here, but this side with the light off, you can definitely tell it's orange. I will turn on the hazards to show you the comparison, but we're not getting any warning lights, so that's good. Rears are on, this one's working. Here is the OEM. Here is the LED. Wow. Halogen. This looks so much brighter. It's like an actual orange too. Here is kind of a better comparison of the two. So left is the OEM halogen, right is the new USR bulb. If you can tell, this one, it kind of fades in and out. You know, it doesn't really pop like this one is very on, off, on, off. And this one is more like fading in, fading out. This one's definitely a lot cleaner. And it's a lot brighter. All right, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and install the other side and we should be good to go. Right now I'm just on my way over to kind of like a little business park area where I plan to get some footage of these lights kind of like all the way around now that I have the LCI taillights, the depot headlights, and now these blinkers, which thank you so much, USR. These things are so cool and just really elevate the F30, and I think lighting is definitely key, and I love it, so just keep doing what you're doing. If you guys need anything as far as lighting goes for your F chassis or anything like that, definitely head over to USR. They're gonna hook you up with good quality stuff. Shipment is very fast, and I've never had any issues, so I can't speak highly enough of them. And that USR, just thank you again, guys. I really appreciate it. That is gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the cinematics there. USR, thank you again so much, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on these bulbs because they look so good. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you got any thoughts, comments, concerns. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss a moment of Elevated. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.